Welcome to our channel. Today we're exploring the fascinating world of economics to understand cash flow. This fundamental concept is vital for anyone seeking financial stability. Cash flow represents the net amount of cash moving in and out of a business, reflecting its liquidity and operational efficiency. Throughout this video, we'll break down not only what cash flow means, but also why it's so crucial in economics. Stay tuned as we explore the ins and outs of this essential financial concept, setting the stage for deeper insights and practical applications. Cash flow is the net amount of cash being transferred into and out of a business, a vital measure of financial health. There are three main types of cash flow: operating, investing, and financing. Operating cash flow includes cash from core business activities like sales and services. Investing cash flow pertains to the purchase and sale of long-term assets, such as equipment. Financing cash flow involves activities that change the company's equity and borrowings. Understanding these components provides a full picture of a company's financial activities and health. Next, we'll examine the causes and effects of cash flow in a business context. Now, let's delve into the causes and effects of cash flow within a business context. Positive cash flow indicates the growth of liquid assets, enabling businesses to settle debts, reinvest in operations, and return value to shareholders. Conversely, negative cash flow can be a warning sign of financial distress, highlighting a struggle to balance expenditures with incoming funds. For example, high sales revenue can drive positive cash flow, while excessive overhead costs can cause negative cash flow. By analyzing these factors, businesses can strategize for stability and growth. We'll next explore real-world examples illustrating these scenarios. Let's examine some real-world examples. Company A, with strong positive cash flow, was able to expand rapidly. Conversely, Company B struggled with consistent negative cash flow, leading to financial instability. As we move forward, these insights will apply across various industries, offering valuable lessons for managing your own cash flow. Understanding cash flow is crucial for any business, aiding in informed financial decisions and ensuring long-term success. By now, you should grasp the importance of positive and negative cash flow and their real-world implications. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and leave a like. Your support helps us create more valuable content. Keep learning and stay informed about your financial health. Thank you for watching.